You built a game under a Roblox group. It is making Robux. And now that money is piling up in a group funds balance. So where is it, really? Who is allowed to pay it out? And how does it ever reach your real bank account? Here is the whole path, with clear diagrams. One honest note first. Everything in this video is free, no wall, no catch. Want the full money playbook as a checklist? Every payout setting, the DevEx steps, the tax gotchas, that lives in my Roblox revenue blueprint. $29, link in the description. Totally optional. Now, what a group actually is, and why the money lands there. Start with the thing itself. A Roblox group is a shared entity, like a small studio account. It has members. It has roles. And crucially, a group can own games and items. That last part changes the money. When the group owns the game instead of you personally, the Robux it earns does not land in your account. It collects in one shared pot called Group Funds. Think of Group Funds as the studio's bank balance. Sales from group-owned games flow into it, game passes, developer products, paid access. So do earnings from group-owned clothing and user-generated items. And so do Premium Payouts, the share Roblox pays for time Premium members spend in your experience. So the mental model is simple. Group owns the game. Game earns Robux. Robux pools in group funds. Nothing has reached a person yet, it is all sitting in the shared balance. So how does money get into that pot? And can you just deposit Robux to top it up? The main way is automatic. Any group-owned game or item that sells sends its share straight into group funds. You build, players buy, the balance climbs. You do nothing. But here is a detail that surprises people. There is no simple donate button for a group. If you want to push your own Robux in, you do it indirectly. You create a group-owned item, a shirt, some pants, a UGC item, a game pass, and then you buy it yourself. The Robux flows in as a sale. The catch, that route is lossy. Roblox takes its marketplace fee on the sale, so you never get 100% of what you put in. For real funding, letting game earnings collect is far cleaner than buying your own items. One more timing note. A fresh sale is not spendable instantly. Sales sit pending for roughly 3 to 21 days while Roblox verifies them. Only cleared, available funds can be paid out. Here is the part people get wrong the most. The money is in the pot, so who is actually allowed to take it out? The answer is strict. Only the group owner can issue a payout. There is a role permission called Spend Group Funds that you can switch on. But in practice, real payout authority stays with the owner. An ordinary admin cannot cash the group out, no matter what their role looks like. Treat the owner account as the single key to the vault. When the owner does pay out, it takes one of two shapes. The first is a one-time payout. You send a fixed amount of Robux to a member, once. It is a deliberate, manual transfer. And it is permanent, a payout cannot be undone, so check the numbers first. The second is a recurring percentage payout. Instead of a fixed amount, you assign each member a percentage of all future group revenue. From then on, Roblox splits incoming Robux automatically. The percentages must total 100% or less, and the owner keeps whatever is not assigned. This is how teams pay collaborators a fair cut, hands-free. Before any payout can land, there is one gate that trips up every new team. The 14-day rule. A member must be in the group for about 14 days before they can receive any payout. At least 14. New today means not payable today. Why? It is an anti-fraud measure. Without it, someone could spin up throwaway accounts, add them, drain the funds, and vanish. The waiting period makes that abuse slow and painful, which is the whole point. There is no override, not for the owner, not for anyone. So if you are bringing a collaborator on board, add them early. Get that 14-day clock started well before the first payout is due. Otherwise the transfer simply will not go through. Now the question everyone actually came for. The Robux is in group funds, how does it become money in your bank? There is a step people miss. You cannot DevEx group funds directly. Group funds is a shared balance, not a person. The developer exchange only cashes out an individual's earned Robux. So the flow has two hops, not one. Hop 1, the owner pays the group funds out to a person. Usually that person is you. The moment it lands, it becomes your personal earned Robux. Hop 2, you take that earned Robux to DevEx and convert it to real currency. The rate is roughly a third of a cent per Robux, about $0.0035 each. So 100,000 Robux is around $350. And DevEx has its own gate. You must be eligible. At least 13, a verified email, an active premium subscription, and a minimum balance of earned Robux. It is real income too, taxable in most countries. Every rate here is approximate and can change. So remember the shape. Group funds, then pay to yourself, then DevEx. 2 hops to the bank. So why use a group at all? It adds an owner-only vault, a 14-day wait, and an extra hop to cash out. 3 real reasons. First, revenue splits. That recurring percentage payout lets a whole team take an automatic, fair cut of every sale, forever, with zero manual accounting. Builders, artists, and scripters, all paid on autopilot. Second, brand and ownership. The group owns the game and the items, not one personal account. The experience lives under a studio name. It can outlast any single member coming or going. Third, clean collaboration. One person collecting everything and paying friends by hand is awkward and easy to get wrong. In a group, the split is written in and enforced by Roblox. Everyone can see the deal. For a solo hobby game, a personal account is simpler. But the moment money is shared between people, a group keeps it fair. Let us lock it in. A Roblox group owns games, and the Robux they earn collects in one shared pot, group funds, not your personal account. Funds arrive automatically from sales. There is no clean donate button. And fresh sales sit pending a few days before they clear. Only the group owner can pay out. Either a one-time fixed payout, or a recurring percentage split. And a member must wait about 14 days before they can receive anything. To reach your bank, it is 2 hops. Pay the group funds to yourself. Then DevEx your personal earned Robux to cash, roughly $350 per 100,000 Robux, if you are eligible. That is group funds, end to end. That is how Roblox Group Funds really works. Where it collects, who can pay it out, the 14-day wait, and the 2 hops to your bank. Want the whole thing as a step-by-step checklist? Every payout setting, the DevEx cash-out walkthrough, and the tax gotchas that catch new devs. That is my Roblox revenue blueprint. $29, linked below. The full written guide is in the description too, free. Subscribe for more clear Roblox money explainers, and I will see you in the next one.